Hello, my name is Teacher Ivy, and today is your speaking test. Okay, so can you tell me what is your name? My
name Jacob.
Okay, now Jacob, can you tell me how old are you? I'm I'm five.
Five.
Okay, and can you tell me, Jacob? Okay, where are you from?
I am
From
from.
I'm from
I
from Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Okay. And Jacob, how are you today? Are you happy or sad? I'm
I
happy.
happy.
Okay, good job. Now, Jacob, I have here a picture. Okay, can you tell me who is he?
Daddy.
Daddy. Okay, how about she?
Mommy.
Mommy. How about this one?
Sister.
Bro.
Brother.
Yes, brother. Okay, this one.
Sister.
Sister. Okay, is this a boy or a
Boy.
boy?
Girl.
Girl. Okay, is he a man? Yes. And
Woman.
woman. Okay, good job, Jacob. Thank you and goodbye. You say goodbye. Can you say goodbye?
Yeah.
Bye. Wait.